Top of the top, top of the top. Welcome back to the Ox 28 channel. We back at it today, baby. Let's do this. How you guys doing? All right? All right, all right. We got a couple minutes for the open. We have some levels marked up here. So we're ready to go, all right? All right, so as you guys can see here, this is a 4 hour zone right here. Market is approaching to the middle of it. 772. Um, Lately the market be just going down. So lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Another lower low here, potentially to come up. Who knows? Let's see at the open. As you guys already know, 9:30. We look for the sweep. If it's not clear, we wait for 9:45 to take the trade or 10. And this is the if it goes down, these are the areas that we might take a buy on. These red numbers here. Let's see, okay? All right, guys, as you can see, the dollar is really, really, really bullish. Got a bullish dollars and a crazy bullish VIX. So let's see at the open if they push it down, as this is in a buy zone. If they push it down here, resistance, support, it's gonna go up. Who knows? Who knows? All right, 9 minutes for the open. Get your accounts ready, your tea, coffee, whatever it is. Locked in, all right? All right. We got 4 more minutes, all right? I'm adjusting. All right, as you can see right here, the market hit the middle of the zone. 2 more minutes for the open. We might have the breakdown, who knows, to the downside. Right. 1 more minute. 1 more minute, chat. One more minute. 14 seconds. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Exactly at the 50%. The reaction. 780, 772. We might have to wait for direction here because we're not sure where the market's going. With that, with that Trump news, Trump tweeted earlier around 8:30, so we don't know where this is going. We do not know yet, so we gotta be patient. We might have to take the trade like a 9:45 that we identify the direction of the market.
Don't long Nasdaq.
Tato, shit.
I only got one contract though. I ain't fucking with this like that. Only got one contract.
Yeah. We're gonna buy a 780. Really small, really small trade. Buying a 780.
It's gonna start by itself.
All right, we reacted too late to it. Mm, the news got us. About 50% of the song worked perfectly. It's a 4 hour song. This buy limit is irrelevant. It went up too much already. All right, 934. No sign of weakness here. Big stars.
Damn, bro. 50% of this candle.
We selling a 50.
You selling?
Yeah. This is a 50% retracement below the AM zone, so we're gonna take a shot here and see if it works. 50% retracement.
Yo, Nasdaq went nutty, pop.
The only problem about these sales is that the dollar in the VIX is not in our favor. That's the only
You
problem.
went short?
We're gonna take it anyways. It's 10 years.
What price?
50. Um, it's about to be 9:45. The next entry time. Let's see.
Damn it, bro. Nasdaq is still going, bro. Fuck.
So it looks like they're gonna take us out at 9:45, and then might drop from like 150 top of the AM zone. So 2 more minutes left on this candle. That's really bad business right there.
Yo, Nasdaq is amazing, bro.
All right, 1 more minute. So 9:45 is the other window for you to get in. Oh, we don't know yet what is going on. Who knows? Who knows?
I mean, it could go down to like 9:30, but the ROI is not there, so it's not worth.
All right, 9:45 candle. Let's see if they sold here. This is 9:45 candle. Mm, Yo, but what is my indicator here? Oh my gosh, I deleted it. Uh, I deleted it. That indicator is not. All right, so we're gonna go break even.
Yeah, I'm cutting it here.
Cutting what?
My shorts, I got in with you.
I thought you said you don't like that.
I only got one contract.
Okay. Yeah, London low. I'ma still be break even. I don't care. I like it. I'm okay with the break even. It takes me out. It's okay. The VIX is going up. What is the dollar doing? Come on, dollar. Get us rich. You gotta break London 780. Ah! Uy, uy, uy.
Damn.
980. Yeah, breaking retest of London. That's a wire right there. Let me make sure I'm
I
break
kind of
even.
want to buy here, bro. To be honest, like around 9:30 though.
Let me make sure I'm break even. Hold on. I don't wanna take IL for no reason. Boom, boom. 43. Okay, perfect. Okie dokie. All right, so now it's 9:47. 2 more minutes. Sorry, guys, I don't have my indicator up, but it's supposed to have it. Jesus. Was it this one? No, this is not the one. But I have an indicator here for the timing. We need that. We need that so you can see how this thing works. Oh, look at this one. This bar that we did, short and shorts. So we print out the short again. The EMAs losing strength. So let me see. I need that. I need to pull it up. Where is it? Look at the fixed volume profile. They where we sold around 9050 was a little was a lot of stocking orders. Literally a lot of stocking orders. That's why we got trapped there, and we thought that we are gonna get um trapped.
Yeah, I clipped
Okay,
940.
I'm gonna trail my stop loss.
This is my
I
support right here.
I
Right?
82. I
According to
82.
my indicators, this is where it should hold. But the only problem is this is not 50% of that candle.
Okay, so it can retrace back to 980 with no problem because that's gonna be 50% of that bearish engulfing on the 5 minute. Um, and also you gotta respect 50, 920 right here. That's a key level. Let's mark it. 920, strong key level right there. And we're gonna put another key level, 950. Those are the two numbers. Those are the boogeymans right there. Boogeyman. Let's put it on yellow. Yellow is our key levels, colors. So there you go. So that's gonna be like 50% retracement from the top, from the bottom to the top, 50% retracement. So you gotta react here. If it don't come back from here, it's gonna go to 800 at least. So who knows? Who knows? This is the 5 minute time frame. We see the VIX coming up again, as we said earlier. They have reverse correlation. That's why we were looking into buys here, but we got scared, like little bitches, because it was at the resistance to go down. Here has support to go up, 50% of the zone. So the smartest thing to do now is to trail our stop loss above 36. And it is what it is. 38 actually. 38, 37. Yeah, because if it take us out and it goes to 100, you gotta be okay with that. Part of the business, it happens. Cannot be always paid worth it. Something's better than nothing. So far, good execution, shot, great performance at not hesitating at that 50 key level, 50% retracement.
Yeah, how much you up? You're not up to 1 to 3?
Um, yes, I am. I'm just trailing it right now. Yeah, that's the reason I trail it to 937 because we already are up 1 to 3. So anything after this is just profits. It's a plus. So can be greedy. Yes, sir. And this was a B plus setup. So remember, chat, that every setup have its own rules and risk. That's why we only took two contracts because it was a B plus setup. A B plus setup is just $50 risk. Then a A setup is 100. A plus setup 150 risk. So every setup have its own risk. Some way somehow. Sometimes a B plus setup can turn into A plus, but that's not for you to guess. That's the market's job.
Where's your stop loss?
37, giving some room because
I like it.
he might come back to 920 and get rejected again. But who knows? He
I
can
like
go
940.
he can go to 50
Nine-
for retracement.
I like 940 as a rejection place.
Oh, yo, look at that key level right here. 880 got rejected. Strong key level again. All these key levels here, they're strong. All of them prices. 880, 850, 820, because this is a zone, a 4 hour zone. So it's gonna move really strong. You see? 880. It's coming back up. It's about to take us out. There you go. Took us out. All right, we out. So now something interesting is happening here. We're gonna take a buy. We're gonna take a buy when it's come back down. The order flow is bullish and it's picking up momentum. So get ready for the buy. Get ready for the buy. Chat when it comes back down. All right, 730, 50, 300. All right.
Yeah, you see, 40 was the rejection place. That's just gonna continue lower now.
I'm buying here. Stop loss 830. Oof. Continuation, baby. Continuation. They not playing. So it didn't hold. The key level didn't hold at all. Might be a whole sweep then. What time is it? It's about to be 10. Didn't hold. Nope, it didn't. It's about to be 10, so we might have to reanalyze the market because it's about to be the next entry time. 10. We should have waited for 10 to be more precise on the timing, but it's so good. We like the key level though. The dollar's going up crazy. Look at that. Um, okay, one more minute. We
That was the 78.6 retracement, bro.
we're
From the
getting out.
bottom to the top.
We're getting out of the trade. We're gonna wait for it. Um, we just got out. All right, we just got out of the trade and see what happens. We gotta reanalyze what's going on here. That right there was a 61% retracement when we bought. Key level again, 850. We're gonna be marking this level because the market can react to either one of them. Jesus, look at that. We had a good buy and we got out. So a 10. Let's go back to the high time frame because we shouldn't be on the lower time frame at all. All right, chat. Let's do what we know that we're supposed to be doing here. Let's mark up our structure. So lower high right there, which was 50%. And this is a high low, quote unquote. High low, quote unquote, because it did not make a low low. So this is quote unquote high low. Gotta put a red one instead so we can see the colors. So let's go back to the 5 minute. Um, AAM right here. No 10. We got 945 right there. 935. The top. It's a perfect execution. Bearish engulfing. Let's clone this. Put a lower high here. This is where the market had to break to go above it again. But yeah, bullish momentum. The dollar is going up. The VIX is going up. Goldman Sachs kind of coming up. Yeah, it's coming up a little bit right now. So this might have some strength to come up again. Almost hit 780. Let's stay on the 1 minute. to see the momentum build up. Sometime on the 5 minute or above, you're not able to see it. Actually, stay here in the 5 minutes so we can have a grasp of what is it they're gonna do.
I have to order food because there's no.
So take a look at this. This is where, let's do this one instead. Clips. So this is the lower high. Let's say this is the high low. Uh, all right, so I see the build up here, but this 920 is a really strong level. Market being respecting it. So taking a buy here at 880 is not that bad, to be honest. But I would like to see a break of this first to have a confirmation, because this can just be blown and just go down, if you know what I mean. So it can be something like this. You blow it, even blow 850, break, and back to 800 over our key levels down here on the bottom, all these key levels. So that's what that entertain about buying here. I wanna wait. Wanna wait and see confirmation. Está energético, papi, hoy sí. No te va a bañar, pero si está ahogándose contigo, no le da caso. Porque como quiera bañar, no cortas. Está más energético que si se había bebido un Red Bull o un café. Hoy amaneció all right, we're back at it. All right, so it's reacting again. It's getting some reaction. Look at that, 84. So this is the range that they playing around right now. This right here, the whole range. So let's see many, how much orders they on the order flow. I'm able to see it. The build up from here, from there to here. I mean, it's a lot of orders, and this is the key level right here, the POC 904. So that's why I keep getting rejected there. Look at that.
I was saying we gotta get above 40. A break can retest 40, and then go higher.
Mm-hmm. Yep. POC is where it's got rejected again here, 904. I can see on the order flow too. It's not they're not interesting about it. They just letting it be. It might be the retracement, to be honest. But who knows? It's in the middle of the move, though. So it can go both ways, 50-50. It's at a 61% retracement and 50%. So it's a good chance that it can go both ways. This can be the small lower high to go down to maybe my TP would it be like 51,300 overall because I don't think it's gonna stop on the middle of the zone. It's gonna be just gone. Actually, I like this. I like this. A break of 850, then I move up. I'm taking that sell. Yeah, I'm taking that sell. Look at the reaction of that POC 904. That was beautiful. Yeah, we taking that sell when it comes back up. We're gonna take that sell regular. This is a A plot. This is a setup. So we taking it when it comes back up. Uh, it didn't break. That's not good. Really dangerous. Didn't break it. Uh, yeah, that's a tough one right there because he did not break it. It didn't. Yeah, it's just retracing right now. Jesus, it's not. Um, we're gonna wait for 10, 10-15 because this reaction at 20 here was so perfect, so that it can be the buy. It was not a clean break, so I do not trust it to be honest at all for this 880 to work. So I wanna wait. So we can have something more clear. Look at that. And the VIX is going down, so that don't help. This time we gotta correlate it with this because it's at a good level the market can retrace from. Look at that. It's a crazy reaction, 820 right there. Back up
I'm
to it.
long Nasdaq.
Okay, cool. Good, my boy. Look at that. As we said GS. GS is going up. right, look at that. That's why we didn't trust the 820. That's a prime sample why. Look at that. He was the buy. At 10 on the dot.
Yes.
Literally 10 on the dot. Not 10 on the dot. 10 on the dot was the
Yeah.
sell. 10 on 9. We might need like a break of London to be a little bit bullish. This is still all the way high here.
I got the same things that still got the things.
It's resistance. This is support right here. All right, same thing happened again. The POC got rejected and the key level 920. Same thing again. Same thing again. Below the 820. Skill level right here, very strong. 920. All right, we're gonna take a sell here, 920. All right, we'll put a sell limit here, 920. See how that
Paco, you
goes.
there?
All right, so it was a sniper. We're gonna go break even right away.
Tell me you got it.
Yeah, of course. Told you. It might get us out
Yo.
right now. Yeah, I got out. Let me get back in. Took me out. I'm gonna get back in again.
Tell me you got it.
right, look at that. It's going down now. Let's see if this 880 holds. This is a key level the market shouldn't go back to. If it does, you gotta get it rejected. If not, forget about it. It's gonna go. It's gonna go back up to 5200. If you don't respect this right here, right here, gotta respect it. You just hit it. You just hit it right now. That's why we break even because this whole range here is just annoying. And we're on the window. We're on the not trading window. After this trade, we cannot trade to 11. So that's the reason for it. That we will break even right away. Don't want to take eye off for no reason. So let's see. The first thing is gotta break a 50. It's the key level that I already rejected 3 times. 2 times actually. So one here. And 2 times here. So right here is bullish. Got rejected. So let's see if he's actually bearish. He print out short there what we got in. The order flow is bullish, so it might come back up. I'll let you know when the order flow turns strong bearish. Is bullish right now. The numbers they're not strong. Right now it turned bearish right here. 853. When it gets to 50, it might change because 50 is at the key level. It's supposed to reject. Let's see. We need the BIGs and the dollar to go to the moon right now. Literally to the moon. Look at the BIGs is going up now. That's a crazy reaction right there. 53. Order flow still not bearish. It's a little bit bullish. When it hits here, we're gonna see again.
Yo, that sell was perfect, bro.
Yeah, but the order flow is still not giving me bearish momentum yet. Let's see here. Still bullish. Okay, hit 50. Let's see. Okay, a little bit bearish. Bullish again. Come on, man. You guys gonna break it or what? It's still bullish. Only like 12 contracts. Now it jumped.
Doesn't have anything to offer him. So
59 contracts. Yeah, you see? 50 again. Still bullish. Yeah, the order flow is saying otherwise. The candles are red, but not the numbers.
the
Yep.
balance is off of the overnight lows. Yeah,
There
it's
you
down
go.
to the bottom.
Came back up
Yeah,
again.
that's what it's giving. I'm telling you, it's building.
Yeah.
It's like
Order
it's a
flow doesn't
nasty kind of.
miss. Come on,
Nasty
man.
trap,
Break that
but
50.
it is literally you're taking what you can get in this kind of market at the moment. So you've had 4 trades so far.
we're just managing this. We're not taking more trades till
I mean, it
11.
starts comical. Yeah, I know.
So still the order flow printed bullish here when hit 50. So look at it. Order flow doesn't miss. So this is the third time the market hits it. That's crazy. Back up all the way. Got us out. Insane. Insane. Look at this range. That's why we don't trade after 10:20. Since 10, they look how they building up all this. So most likely it's gonna be a whole range like this. Right, my people. So the next trade is gonna be 11. So we're just gonna be watching this and talking about what's going on.
Right out. On the 1 hour chart. You had a double top.
Look at it right now again. Same thing. 907 getting rejected. So they just pushing it all the time. It goes down, they push it up. It goes down, push it up. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So in this case, the market has to break 850 and then come back up to 880. That would do it. Something like this. There you go. Finally, something like this. A break, and then yeah, a break to even 80 or even 800, and then a retest, or even here will be the same thing anyways. That made more sense. But look, fourth time, the order flow is a little bit bearish now, a little bit bullish overall, but it's not that much volume. They're just trapping people here, up and down. So let's see. All right, look like we're not breaking now. Look at that. Finally. Jesus. Finally wants to break it. A little bit below it. There you go. Now it's berries. The order flow is berries now. 38 contracts. 32. 36. Now it has some bearish momentum. Look at the base. The dollar's going. Okay. Look at your boy here. Goldman Sachs going down. So take a look at that. Brand new candle. Still one going down now. This is what? %78 retracement is gonna be right here. 810. A lot of orders built up there. Look at that. Fifth time, fourth time. Crazy. Look at that. Coming back up again. Wow. Look at that. That's really strong move right there. Is there some news? Because this is just ridiculous. No news. No news. All right. Let's back up at it. POC again. 904, 907. That's ridiculous. That's why we don't trade on this time. Sometimes it works though. Sometimes Look at that 850 strong key level. Strong, really strong key level. That's why we would mark it as a key level right there. Kept trying it. Now it's above the POC. POC 903. No. This is a whole stack up of orders. They're stacking a lot of orders in here. Box. This is all noise. All noise here. That's the range. Look at the key level. I got rejected 950. Crazy. Back at the POC right here. 908, 907. POC. GS coming down. The dollar's coming down a little bit. Big's a little bit down, coming up again. All right. We back at it. It's 11 on the dot. So we want to see what happens here. See what happens. 11 on the dot. Look at this. It's really crazy work. Look at all that stacking order there. That's why we don't trade between 10:20 to 11. Look at this. 10:15 is the entry. After that, you just gotta hold. Look at all of that mess. Sometimes it works though. Sometimes market is going the wrong. From this entry is going the wrong. That's why you just hold it. But to get in again, no way. You're gonna get smoke. So now we just gotta wait. On this, we gotta take it out because we're gonna draw our 8 a.m. 11 a.m. zone. So when this finishes, it's gonna draw it for us. This is our bot that will do the job for us instead of us drawing it. So when that candle finishes on the 5 minute time frame, it's gonna draw our zone. Then we adjust accordingly. Coming back down. That's why. The VIX is going up. The dollar not that good. GS is going down, so this has some bearish momentum going on. It's not for sure yet, but we're about to find out soon. Right, 37 more minutes. So it looks it's a big sun today. That's crazy. It's too big. Too big of a sun. Yeah, it's too big. Yep. So let's see. The sun printed inside the range. Really dangerous. Really dangerous. All right, that's the song right there. Say less. All right, overall, we back at the song that the market reacted to. So let's see. Eleven 15. It's gonna be our entry time. Yeah, let's put it up. We can see it. All right, so we're gonna be looking for the dollars not going up. What about the BIX? The BIX is the one going up. So we're going with the BIX. Let's see. On the way back in, we're gonna get into shorts. We got some bearish momentum going on. So who knows? Who knows? All right. It might be a rejection. Who knows? Hey, 20 again, the key level. The order flow is bearish a little bit. So these might end up as a whole week. We're gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to finish. We're not gonna get into that trap because this right here, I do not trust it. I do not trust that at all. This right here, and these. Put an alert here. All right, we got 11:15 right here. Back at the key level. So let's see. Is that a buy or sell? Who knows? The peg still going up. The dollar is going up now. CGS. Yes, wants to go up now. Based on our rules, we supposed to sell when it comes back down, back up here. So we want to see how weak or strong it is, and then we go from there. We don't want you just to randomly just short it or buy it. See how precise it is at 11 o'clock. That was the sell. Worth it. The timing we use, you don't miss. 11 o'clock. 9:20. Worth it. Plus, we don't trust it that much. That's why we didn't take it. That range is crazy. Look at that. 11:23. A50, the killer we were waiting for to being broken, did now. We can retest. So it might have some bullish momentum. I here. Let's see. right, it looks like they want to reverse it now. 11:30, big move. Any news? No. It's a big push. Look at GS2. Yeah, that's a big bullish engulfing there. 50% of the song got rejected again. 750. I do not like it. Let's see. There is some this Trump news right here 7 minutes ago. That's why 7 minutes ago. Trump tweets right channel 12. I am considering a massive attack. Okay. Larger than anything that has been done before, and I'm close to making a decision. So it's supposed to go down instead of going up. Because war is technically sales environment. So it's sales environment for the dollar. Peace is basically bullish and bullish momentum for YM. So I don't get it. So this time we're not entertaining it. Gotta wait. We gotta wait. It's almost a 50% of it. They going for it. They're not playing around. The order flow is super bullish right now. Nobody knows if it's a fake move or what, but it's definitely from the news. Brand new candle right here. Yes. 820 again. See how it react when it gets to 820. Wanna see that reaction. 5 minutes left on that 15-minute candle. It looks super bullish.
Well, living in DR, just fixed me a big ass plate of sancocho with rice, avocado, all the fixings. I eat.
Look at it right there. It's back at it. The bogeyman key level. These news are so weird. What the what Go is doing? Go is going up. and Q started to go up a little bit. And GJ, US 30. All right. Bitcoin, big down, dollar down. Look at that reaction. Exactly 920. Crazy. Really crazy. All right. Let's see what they got here. A fifth in the boogeyman kill level 2. What happened here? All right. Above A50 is bullish, below is bearish. How many pips is that? 3, 4. I'm gonna take that. We'll take that. Let's do a little scalp here. Try our locks. A50. Let's try our locks here. Jesus. We got stunned right away. That was funny. Jesus. They didn't even let us get positioned. Oof. gonna go break even here. Yeah, I do not like it. All right, I got out on all of them. It can work. Who knows? But if 50 is a good kill level, you can it can break from. He's just reacting up and down like crazy. We're just trying to get sniper on that kill level, but the market is not about to. Look at that, a 50. It's between there. They're not playing around. Above is bullish, below is bearish. Look at it again. Crazy. Let's see. I mean, we don't know yet. This price 850 is really tricky. Really tricky. Really tricky. See, they'll buy or sell. In the 1 minute, they're stacking orders there. I like the sales more though. And then the dollar is coming down. The VIX is coming down, so it might go up. GS is coming down. The order flow is haven't printed yet. The order flow is a little bit bearish, but it printed the key level, so we gotta wait for it. Yeah, we gotta wait for that.
I like 806.
That's how you got a sniper. That's how you get a sniper, baby. Look at that. Key level 820. I'll be good with 15 bucks out of that. Oof. Uy, uy, uy. How low is gonna go? Who knows? And got out. 20 bucks profit. Oof. And back down again. They not playing. Uy, uy, uy. What? Hell yeah. Let me get that. Perfect. All right. Let's see what happens here. 850. What are they gonna do? Yes. All right, we got out. All right, we're gonna be officially bullish above 950 London, break off the 11 a.m. zone and a retest back in 950 here was beautiful. All right, my people. Remember, 907 is a POC, the POC. That's why the market keep rejecting that. POC is 907. 907. Look at it right there. That's the key level of the whole day. 907. POC.
I was looking at 692 as being liquidity, bro. Yo, they almost got there again, bro.
Which one?
Look at that double bottom.
Oh,
That
yeah.
double bottom is crazy.
Yeah, because it's 50% of the box. They have it's a 4 hour. It's a 4 hour bison. That bison was from June 22. So it's a lot of orders there. That was the move to go all-time high again. So the market will gonna respect it crazy. It might be all-time high from here again too.
Yep.
This might be the last low of the month.
Yeah, we bugging for not buying right now, bro. We should be buying.
I just don't like it. I need to see more bullish momentum. I had trust issues with those key levels today. That's a good reaction of 880 right there, to be honest.
Ah, my nigga, like, yo, bro. I cannot catch a lick, bro. As the exterminator was here, so I'm
All right, 920 again. Let's see what happens here. The VIX is bearish. The dollar is bearish a little bit. But let's go based on the VIX. The VIX and GX. Mm. Like, momentum is building up. What Trump said now. Is there any news? Mm, 30 minutes ago. Again. Oh no, that was the one from earlier. All right. I want to see a break of 950. That's what I'm looking for. 950 and then I'll pull back down. But the candle got to close above 950 though. Can be a week. Or let's stay here. There you go. And that's crazy because earlier I was buying here at 850. It kicked me out 2 times. I gave up on it. Look at where it is right now. Yeah, we were messing around here. 850.
Hey, this is the buy area, bro. Is it? Oh. Hey Siri, set a 1 minute timer. 1 minute starting now.
All right, 854. The order first bullish. Let's see here.
I'm in a trade right now, but I just gotta hold it for 1 minute so I could complete another trading day on these accounts.
Yes, sir.
It's the only reason why I'm trading this right now. But I am bullish on YM. I'm bullish on everything right now. I like these areas to go long. Yeah, look what Nasdaq is at, bro. Oh. Buying at 465.
2 more minutes.
That's hilarious. Papo.
Did it?
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
I'm gonna lock these accounts. 26, 521. 26, 676. I'm gonna lock these two. I'm up 113 on the pro account.
Good. Great.
I should have been up way more though.
It's all good.
I've been having like roach problems. So the exterminator was here. He's gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna pay him a little extra, and he's gonna like bomb the shit out of my fucking kitchen.
Yeah, for real. Pain in the ass because it's
And
summer. This is what we wanted to confront the bullish momentum. So let's see if it comes back down. So for us to find an area to buy. All right, so the VIX might come up a little bit, and this might retrace. Hit London again. The dollar is coming up. Let's see what's up with GS. The order flow is bullish. They might reject London here. Let's see if it close above London and come back to 920 or something like that. Who knows? 15-minute candle looks promising. 12 minutes left. There's some right here. Reject. Worked again. It's the lower high. It's about to break it. All right, as is too late, the market came out of freaking hole. You might not have that much momentum. We might have to take probably 1-to-1s and trust stop loss. It's already late, so the volume might not be there no more. There you go again. Rejection of London. What is that? 20 points. Yeah, 20 points. Boom.
I swear to God, YM does not fucking sweep, bro.
So mean,
Not-
you don't speak. Famine candle rejected London. Let's see if he goes up, gonna go above it. He rejected the 50, so it's between both of them. Let's see. But we're gonna buy it when it goes back to back below 930. What is it? Below 9, below London. I like 950 to buy again. So let's see. Oh, this is ending as a week. The top of the New York Open. That's not good. It looks like we're gonna close below London.
What time is it? 12:30. And Nasdaq is still going.
It might reject 720. From 720 to 750. That's where it can reject that.
What, Nasdaq?
Yep.
Yeah.
750 and 720. Those are the two key levels.
Yo, I don't trust gold, bro. Fuck that. Nasdaq and YM, I love it. Gold, I like it too, but I don't trust.
All right.
Nasdaq be giving those though.
Look at that.
Stop focus on Nasdaq.
Look at that. It hit 780 again. It's going up again. Let's see if he's gonna hold. There we go. He rejected London again. He might go back to 1920. So let's see how he reacts at 50. Then we go from there. 11 minutes on that candle. 11 minutes.
I'm about to get kicked.
What was your TP? Like 50? 050? 080?
No. Like 200.
Got it. Remember that we already passed 930. We're not gonna get 300 points moves unless my boy Trump tweets that they did a deal. So we gotta be targeting 50 to 100 points. Yeah, that was 67 points from where you bought. There you go. Back at the 50. We might sweep to 920. Let's see. 22 seconds on that 5 minute candle. The next candle, let's see what happens there. GS is going up. The PEX is going a little bit up, and the dollar. Oh, it can go back to 880 actually. That Fibonacci retracement on the way down. Yeah, you can easily go back to 880. Those two numbers, 920 and 80. Let's see. Let's see how it goes here. Order flow is bearish right now. What we got here? Good reaction at the 50. Good reaction. Good reaction. Excellent reaction. Gotta go back to 020. This is a FEG right here. It's a FEG right here, 1920, 920. It's also a FEG right here, right there. Right there.
No. Coco.
See what they're gonna do here. 50s below it. The dollar's going up. Also the VIX a little bit. GS going down. Going up a little bit. Alright, let's see how it works here. 920. wanna see a Polish engulfing at 920 or whatever price which wanna buy it. Polish engulfing or retracement. That would do it.
You taking a buy here?
No, I wanna see
You
it.
don't like it?
I wanna see what happens at 920. For me to buy here, I wanna see a Polish engulfing. You gotta close though. It's a great reaction right there. You got kicked out or you left it? You took out the break even.
Nah, I got kicked.
I wanna see a break here. 40 seconds. The 50-minute candle got 5 minutes left.
I'm gonna get back in, bro.
On the 50? Yeah, I'm gonna go back in at the 50. Started off 930. I put a buy limit at 950. Let's see if it works. Who knows? Stop loss 930. The FEG worked. The FEG got respected perfectly to the top. Take a look at it. The FEG right there, exactly to the top. That's wild. Exactly 973.
What price? What time frame is that?
That's a 5 minute. That right there. That's why I took a. It's $20 stop loss. I don't really trust it.
I'm gonna get in right here, bro.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna do six contracts. Let me see.
All right. Took me out. So 920 is the buy then. I'll put a 920. Take another one, 920.
I like it here, but I want to see the reaction first. Right here's a good price, 930. Yep. Yeah, I'm back in. I got 40. Oh,
I
it's
put
not
my
good.
mobile limit 920. 870. Stop loss 870. 870.
What price?
I'm buying
920?
I'm buying a 920 by limit. Stop loss 820.
Yeah, 920 looks good.
870 is the stop loss. Let's see if it works. The VIX is going up now, so it might drop there. The VIX is going up. The dollar is not, but let's see. Damn,
Yeah, gold is just.
it's, it's gonna be a new candle. That's not good. That new candle can just sweep through it. Let's see. Let's see.
My stop loss is 933.
Oh, you have a
What the hell just happened?
really tight stop loss.
I got clipped.
Okay, I got trigger 920. Let's see, but it looks the momentum is bearish right now. The order flow is bearish. That's a 50% retracement from 850. So let's see.
Ah,
You gotta go above 950 again because that's the key level they've been rejecting the whole morning. Below is bearish, above is bullish. So let's see. Let's see what they're gonna do here. The VIX is really bullish. That's why.
MQ's giving the setup again.
Thank you. You getting in it?
Yup. It's giving me the setup again. This is what I was waiting for. This is what I was waiting for.
What price?
Um, right around here, like 650, all the way down to 600.
I like 620. I like 620. Stop loss 580. But you see, when I told you that it's gonna react to 720, you saw how precise it was. That was the sell right there, 720. Yeah, it's a key level. All right, so the VIX,
Yo, YM looks bearish now.
yeah, the VIX is winning.
It got a hold like 900.
Yeah, that's the middle of the 11 zone. Yeah, the VIX is winning. It's winning the race. The VIX is super bullish now. hmm Super bullish. That rejection of London, that was crazy. That was suspicious right there.
Yo, man.
Hey, it went straight down. Straight down. Didn't hold.
Yo, I'm tired, bro. Where the fuck is YM going?
Because the BEX is too bullish. So the BEX is dropping the price. You see the reaction at 780? That was London.
Right up there, right here. Look at the 5 minute. This is an imbalance right here.
80. That was the price that I like earlier. 80.
Right here, 80. Yup.
Ooh, Jesus took me out. That that drop is too much. I'm leaving it alone.
I'm in at 72.
I don't like him. I don't think it's bullish no more. He swept 920 like butter. It's going through 880 like nothing too. So the sell was at 780 London. It got rejected. So let's see. The new 5 minute candle is gonna do here. 80. The other floor is bearish. The base gotta drop. I'll buy when the bigs drop. The big is driving the market down too much.
I got 6 at 872.
Go break even.
Yes, sir.
Mm, 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 mm,
Yo,
mm.
go. MQ's at 620. Think I'm gonna take it. Let me see. Do I like gold or nah? I'm not gonna fuck with gold. Um,
It's a crazy reaction of the 80 right there. What, they gonna protect it or what?
yeah, I got Nasdaq. I got 630. Fuck, I got a bad fill.
It's,
Ah,
it's here on 620. I think the Bex is dropping the market. The Bex is still going up.
I got clipped.
It don't look that good.
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
Let me just watch it for a few. Let me finish this. Hey guys, y'all take care. See ya tomorrow.